Excellencies of the High Table, Nananum, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to this most special occasion, the 74th birthday of my dear husband, Otumfuo II, which also coincides with the very auspicious occasion of the 25th anniversary of his ascension to the throne of our beloved Asante Kingdom. Otumfuo's reign has been characterized by his remarkable achievements in peacemaking, nation building, development, education, health, and building bridges between the international community, Asanteman, and Ghana as a whole. My dearest, I congratulate you on all your exemplary achievements. To say I'm proud of you would be an understatement. Otumfuo and I first met when I came to Kumasi as the Legal and Corporate Affairs Officer of EcoBank Ghana. I was tasked with giving the vote of thanks for the inauguration of the first branch of EcoBank in Kumasi. He tells me that he was mesmerized. That at the end of the ceremony, even though it had started to rain, he refused to leave, despite the prompting of his courtiers. He made sure he found out who I was and how to get in touch with me before leaving the event grounds. That evening, I was summoned by my managing director, the late Jonaka, to dinner at Otumfuo's residence. Little did I know that I was auditioning for the role of a lifetime. And here we are, 22 wonderful years later, and many beautiful children, grandchildren, nieces, nephews, and an amazing extended family, including Nananum and Nanahimanum. Special mention must be made of my late mother-in-law, Nanefia Kobi Sewampem Asantehema, who blessed me with this wonderful husband and many, many conversations filled with advice and love, a tradition that has been continued by the current Asantehema, my sister-in-law, Nana Maknodu Yadom III. Sweets. These years together have been truly exceptional, and I continue to pinch myself daily to remind myself that this is not a dream, but indeed the wonderful life you promised me when we first met. You have exceeded my expectations, And I pray that the good Lord blesses you with many more years to continue your reign and to be the amazing father, husband, grandfather, and patriarch that you are to us all. Distinguished guests, I cannot thank you enough for joining us in this celebration today. Each and every one of you here has a relationship with Otumfuo, and that in itself is a testament that he is a king to us all, a father to many of you, a brother to some of you, and his ability to make time for each and every one of us here is one of the traits that I love about him the most. Otumfuo, my love, I promise to continue to be your backbone, to stand with you in good times and in difficult times. I reaffirm the vow that I made to you when we first married, that I will be your peace and your sanctuary. And I promise that the next 25 years will be filled with the goodness and love we have shared thus far. I pray the good Lord bless you, magnify you, and may he continue to provide you with the discerning wisdom with which you have ruled Asanteman. Otumfuo, happy birthday. Congratulations on your 25th anniversary. And here's to many, many more birthdays and celebrations. Thank you.
Majesties, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Princess Consort.